again this weekend against Penabont. Thoughts on the game?
Yeah, a given Saturday. We said in the week and after the game that we knew it was going to be a tough test for us. I thought we acquitted ourselves really well, to be fair. Got the result, which is what it was all about. And tonight and Thursday, like you said, tough game. I think up there in the top six. We probably expected anything less than a tough game against them. They're organised, 11 well drilled, and we need to make sure that we're ready.
And there was a side who reached the Welsh Cup final last season as well, Penabont. 2 years ago, we're one of our main rivals. Look, what is it going into the game? It's something that's going to be completely different, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it's something to look at for us as a club, really. Penabont, like I say, a couple of years ago went up the same time as us and stayed in the league and progressed, and have been now a dominant force in the league, and perhaps it's something that we need to look at as a club and look at their model potentially and see how they're staying in it and how they're progressing, how they're getting to World Cup finals and potentially looking at European football. So it's something that we can look at, potentially base ourselves on. Obviously, we want to get 3 points on Saturday.
On last Saturday, there was a plethora of youngsters being Billy Nichols, Brad Knight, Tom Mann has come off the bench as well. They're all looking good and basically showing that the strike for a first team plays on Saturday. How's the squad looking going into it?
Yeah, I think we say this every week with regards to the lads that come through the academy, and we don't bury any bones with regards to how we celebrate that. That's important. We've got a couple of lads in tonight who we're sort of waiting on their fitness, who are more experienced, potentially available for Saturday. So we'll see how that goes. But we're not scared of throwing those lads in that you mentioned, Billy, Tyler, etc. Sam, Brad. So it's from them. If they need to come in, then we have high expectations of them. We want them to succeed.
And there's the likes of Craig Curran